Now the last practice set of this chapter. In this we will be learning how to name arcs. In the figure given alongside point S, L, M, N are the circle. Write the question, answer the question with the help of diagram. So this is the diagram. There are 4 points on the circle S, L, M, N. Now the very first question says write the names of the arcs with endpoints S and M. Now we have already seen how to name arc in examples. So question number 1, first one, it says write the name of arcs with endpoints S and M. So S and M should be the endpoints, S and M. So I will be writing arc SLM and arc SNM. So arc SLM comma arc SNM. If you write MLS and MNS, both are same. So if I write MLS, these two are going to be same. So don't repeat it again. See, SLM and MLS, it's same, one and the same. So either of one you have to write, okay? Second, write the names of the arcs with the endpoints L and N. So with L and N, so LM and LSN. Arc LMN and arc LSN. So these two letters are the endpoints. See, like that we have to write. Now coming on to question number 2. Write the names of the arcs that points A, B, C, D in the given circle give rise to. So this is the circle with points A, B, C, D on it, and we have to write names of arcs with different, like we have to basically name different arcs in this circle. Okay, so let's start. So this circle is there for reference. Now let us start. I will be starting with A, ABC, then ADC, like that. Arc ABC, then I'll go switch to B. I'll write arc BCD, then I'll switch to C, arc CDA, then I'll switch to D, arc DAB. Now coming again on to A, so it's been repeated. If we go reverse way, then reverse way if we see ADC. So if I write ADC, it's already been done, ADC. ADC and CDA are one and the same, so no need to repeat it. So this is the trick, one letter you have to take and you have to name the arcs, okay? Now ABC, we can skip this and we can write ACD. We can skip one letter now. Again starting with A. So arc, skipping B, and I will be directly going on to C. So arc ACD. Coming on to B, skipping C, then considering DA. So arc BDA. Then C, I will skip letter D, then CAB. And same with D, I will skip letter A, so it will be DBC. So we are done with all the name of the arcs. So question number 3 is same. Give the names of the arc that are made by the points P, Q, R, S, T in the figure. Again we have to name all the arcs in this circle. So this is for homework. Third sum is for homework. And fourth sum we have already done as an activity before starting this problem set. It says measure and note down the circumference of the different circular objects. So this we have already done as an activity before this practice set. Okay.